Lots of changes at Disney World theme parks. I'm at my favorite today, Hollywood Studios, to check on one in particular. Let's go inside and see how it's going. But before we get inside, check out the parking lot. We are still living in a changed world. Look at all these empty spaces. It used to never be this way. Rise of the Resistance is now a standby wait, not a virtual line. Let's go see how it's going. During my last weekly roundup, we mentioned that Rise of the Resistance is a standby wait now. We also mentioned that rope drop was really busy. And I had a comment in that video. Someone suggested around 2 o'clock might be a good time to get in line for Rise of the Resistance. The thought process is 2 o'clock is the park hopping time. So we would have people leaving this park to go hop to other parks, but yet before people from other parks were able to get into this park, that might be the best time to check out Rise of the Resistance. Might be the low point for the crowd levels here. We're gonna find out if that's true today. I'm stopping here at the Trolley Car Cafe, which is the Starbucks location here at Hollywood Studios. I have a follow-up answer to a question in the weekly roundup. Yes, you can use Starbucks gift cards here. However, they will not accept in the parks. A Starbucks in the theme parks will not accept your Star Rewards or like your birthday reward. Very near to the Dockside Diner, a place my wife used to work as a teenager. They have this little planter area. Some cool 50th anniversary statues in here. Let's go check them out. On this side over here, we have our buddy Frozone. Honey, where's my super suit? Over here we have Edna. Not quite as tall as Frozone. And then two of our favorite droids, R2 and BB-8. Here's a friendly reminder to you guys, something I forgot today. Anytime you go indoors, anyone and everyone has to wear a mask indoors, restaurant, shops, indoor queues. I forgot that today. I had to go inside of a store and buy a mask, a paper mask, for $1.59. So I was a little nervous walking into a store without a mask to buy a mask, but they let me do it. The Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular still has not reopened. But what is open today? Epic Eats. Get yourself some funnel cakes for $8.49. I'm not gonna get one, but if I were to get one, it'd be the strawberry. Typically, one of the lowest wait times at Hollywood Studios is Star Tours. Today is no different, just a 5-minute wait. I could not resist such a short wait time. Time to mask up though.
Arthur, that reminds me. Let's run a diagnostic on the Candroid. You've already checked that. Well, perhaps you could play it back for me. Well, everything looks wonderful. Let's sever the controls. Pull up, Batum, pull up. Well done, Batum. Are you sure this is the right way? They're not going the wrong way. We are illiterate. Look, Batum, a platform. Let's land there. Thank the maker.
Super fun, but once again, I was not selected to be the rebel spy. That's only happened to me once in my lifetime. Into Galaxy's Edge we go. We're not gonna check on Rise at first. We're gonna go over to Smuggler's Run, check on that, then we'll come back to Rise. We wanna be at Rise of the Resistance around 1:55 to see if that time frame is magical enough to have a short wait time. As we walk through Galaxy's Edge, a couple of thoughts on this whole Rise of the Resistance timing the standby line thing. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but Walt Disney World has started their early theme park admission program that is for hotel guests only. So that's one reason why I don't think rope drop is that great of an idea for like regular guests, is because hotel guests will have a 30-minute head start on regular guests. That's why we're gonna try this little 1:55 to 2 p.m. time frame. See how that works out for Rise of the Resistance standby. Okay, we've made it to the Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run, a standby wait of 45 minutes. If this is 45 minutes, I'm gonna bet or guess that Rise of the Resistance would be double this wait time. Let's mask up and head into Docking Bay 7. Two of my favorite Disney dishes are in here. Let's go get them. Well, well, they no longer serve my favorite, but this is the Batum beef stir fry, $18.99. Similar but different than my favorite. So we're gonna have to give this a try. And also, I should mention, they didn't have my favorite dessert either. We'll talk about this when I'm all done eating. All done with my lunch, but as you saw, they no longer serve my favorite dish, which was the beef pot roast. Now they have a beef stir fry, still pretty good. I think the pot roast was a little bit better, but still the stir fry, the beef stir fry, a good substitute. Glad I could have it. But what I couldn't get, like not even a close substitute for, was like the Batum like mousse cake. Not here at all. So, and then the other thing I wanted to know, I'm in a theme park a lot. I buy a lot of theme park food, so I don't complain about pricing too much. But I think for the beef stir fry, which is almost $20, a bit pricey, even for me inside of a theme park. Before we go check on the wait time for Rise of the Resistance, Chewie and Rey are out and about. Now I don't know the character in the orange jacket. I think she's like an original character for this land, not in the movies. If you know who she is, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's check on the wait time for Rise of the Resistance. It is now 2:02 Eastern Standard Time. I walked over here. It had a wait time of 80 minutes for Rise of the Resistance, and then it went blank. I overheard a cast member telling people it's down for technical difficulties right now. Oh my goodness. I wasn't gonna wait 80 minutes anyway, but such bad luck to have it go down right now as I was doing my little experiment. Well now, with that little experiment pretty much complete, kinda complete, almost complete, we got a result, I'll say that. Let's head into Toy Story Land and see what's happening. My least favorite Disney World ride. Just a 20-minute wait right now. Slinky Dog Dash, on the other hand, maybe my second or third favorite ride at Hollywood Studios, is a 75-minute wait. And please note, they have started to change the signage to indicate the lightning lanes. Here we go. Over here at Woody's Lunchbox, checking on something. The Mystic Portal Punch used to be my favorite drink at Hollywood Studios. It's still a frozen drink. Now when I first had it, it was not a frozen drink. They switched it to frozen, and it has stayed a frozen drink. In my opinion, not as good that way. The Roundup Rodeo Barbecue Restaurant coming to Toy Story Land soon. Not done yet, it's still under construction. I like my barbecue. I'm gonna try this place out when it's done. I assume it's gonna be called the Roundup Rodeo Barbecue Place because of the artwork on the construction wall here. Well, let's make our way to my favorite ride. Hopefully it's still there and they haven't made any changes to it. Are you guys noticing all the 50th anniversary banners? The world's most magical celebration, it says. Well, my favorite Disney World ride, Tower of Terror, is here. It appears to be intact and only a 25-minute wait. Let's go do it. See, look at that, just 25 minutes. It has been a challenge to remember to put on my mask when I go indoors though. It's in my pocket right now. I'll put it on when we step inside. Look who is hanging out at the Tower of Terror. Is Goofy and Max. I've never seen this before here. Well, it looks like it's going to take longer than 25 minutes. Looks like the pre-show's back for Tower of Terror.
You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Oh my God, that was super fun. Did you hear the people in my elevator, the screams and the laughter? I still say, the best Disney ride. At least it's my favorite. In the comment section below, let me know what you think is the best Disney ride and what's your favorite Disney ride. You can't go wrong with Tower of Terror. All right, I'm gonna hop into Once Upon a Time, see if they happen to have a cool yellow Disney shirt that I might like. Well, at $25, this shirt certainly has potential. I like the color of the yellow. Feels pretty sturdy. I'm gonna table this. I'm gonna think about this. I'm gonna let Nikki see this and she'll let me know if I should buy this one. If Nikki was with me for $25, she would be buying this Hello Sunshine Orange Bird t-shirt. If she was here, we'd be in line right now to buy this one for sure. Well, if I hadn't bought lunch today, I could have bought that t-shirt. Well, our day at Hollywood Studios is over. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Thanks for watching Rix Flix. And now, it's time to relax.